Welcome back, future product designers, to my YouTube channel. My name is Avya Jamadagni, and today we'll just be going through the new UI, the new UI of Autodesk Fusion 360. So Autodesk has actually recently updated Fusion. It would be October 4th. That was their most recent update, and so if you haven't updated yet, go ahead and start Fusion. And it should automatically start downloading the update, and within a few minutes it'll ask you to restart and just restart. You should see something like what I can see over here. As you can see, they've done a lot. They've changed the logos, and in my opinion the logos look really good now. Apparently the reason for doing this is that it goes well with the other Autodesk products as well, like Revit or 3ds Max, those things, because they wanted to keep it similar. Fusion 360, although it's their flagship product, they do want everything to look as if, well, everything's part of the Autodesk family, isn't it? So that's why they changed everything. But as you can see, the create sketch icons changed, and I like that because the other one, it didn't quite make sense because there was like a paper and a pencil, but that kind of does seem like create a sketch. But well, we're not using paper and pencils here, right? We're using grids, and we're using a mouse. So it makes more sense that they put this. And UI is very important in design, as you should know, because UI is how a person interacts with it. If a person doesn't know how to interact with the software within 5 minutes, or 5 seconds, in fact, well, there's something seriously wrong with your software. But that's why they've changed most of it, and you can see they've changed the color scheme as well. Now it's a lot more blue compared to the previous orange. Regarding the workspaces, they've taken out the patch and sheet metal workspace and they've put it up here, and they've renamed the patch workspace to surface workspace, which kind of makes more sense because you're working on a surface in the patch workspace, and when you think about patch, you're thinking about stitching two things together. So I guess it makes more sense with surface. Sheet metal, they've moved pretty much the same thing over here. Apparently now, if you import a CAD file from another or third-party software such as SolidWorks, you can directly convert it to a sheet metal, and you can automatically apply bends and different tools to it. Speaking of tools, it's over here now. Your 3D printing, your utility, and all your measure, your interference, draft analysis, all those are available here. I kind of find this hard to use because because the 3D printing, it makes you go all the way over here. I think you can still right click on the actual product and still 3D print from there. But to be honest, I like the old tools workspace better than this. And regarding the light bulbs, we used to have light bulbs to show or unshow something. Now there are eyes, and that honestly makes it a lot more clearer because an eye, you can see something if the eye is there, and if it's crossed out, you can't. Design history is pretty much the same. Apparently there were some bugs in the manufacturing workspace, which they've apparently fixed. Ooh, that looks good. And they've added a fabrication toolbar up here, just to organize things and make it a little better. We will be doing some CAM soon, so my beginners lessons, or my beginners series, is over. Now I may be starting to talk about some more complex features such as how to use the sculpt environment, the form, how to create a PCB as well. So the next one is going to be the intermediate series, and that's going to be loads of fun. So I can't wait to get started on that, and see you guys next time then. Thank you.